How's it going, everyone? So today I'm going to talk about how to make passive income as a teenager. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Also, if you're interested in online personal training from me, simply comment below in the comment section. I will get back to you guys with more details. So how to make passive income. First tip, buy a house or rental property and start renting out the rooms. This can allow you to make extra money. Make a YouTube channel. You can make a YouTube channel. You can make good money by getting views on your channel. I know a lot of people on YouTube that are doing it full time and they're just making bank, you guys. And it's as simple. Once you start raking in the cash from YouTube, it's literally a cash cow. And it's very passive income. You really don't have to do much to maintain your channel and your views will start to come in. What I recommend doing though is when you make your videos, you guys, I can't stress this enough, when you're making your videos, you want to make sure that your videos are either educating or entertaining, one or the other. In my opinion, I found that people long term will migrate towards education. Entertainment, I found a lot of YouTube channels are dying very quickly because they're entertaining at the start and then they just fade away, because eventually if you watch someone long enough and you're watching them for entertainment, you'll want to watch someone else because they'll get boring. With education, you're constantly learning, so you can learn from someone forever. So I found educational videos are a little bit better. So if you want to make passive income on YouTube, make educational videos. Trust me on this, you guys. Affiliated marketing. Affiliated marketing is freaking crazy, you guys. You can make some serious money. There's people that are making $10,000, $20,000, $50,000, $100,000 a month doing affiliated marketing. And all it is you get a commission if you sell a product that isn't even yours. A lot of people make a ton of money by doing this. So you're selling someone else's product and you get a commission if someone buys that product. So affiliated marketing, very sweet. Surveys is another way to make passive income. You really don't have to do that much. You just fill out a survey and you will make money. So there's lots of different ways. I know for me, buying the house, renting out the rooms is super easy to do, you guys. You literally buy a house. Now, I know if you're a teenager, you're like, how do I afford a house? If you get a job and you do the minimum down payment of 5%, you can save up for a house even if you're a teenager in about a year or two, and you can buy a house, you guys. For me, I was 19 when I bought a house with my brother, and it was a fairly pricey house, so we did really well. We rented out the rooms. We made a good profit, you guys, off of the rooms. So that's what I recommend doing. End of video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Please like the video and share it. Thanks again.